We also have H visas. We have access to H visas. But a lot of employers here, because CWs are kind of the norm and they're used to CWs, a lot of employers obtain CW visas. The issue now is CW visas have a requirement for what they call the touchback.
It's why the DOTS Law Office announced that H-1 visas could help CW visa holders with a college degree. Attorney Dots has practiced law in the Marianas for over 2 decades, mostly representing businesses. And many businesses on Saipan are bracing for the touchback rule's impact when employees will have to leave the U.S. for 30 days before petitioning for new employment, which could also take months.
H visas are not available for everybody. To qualify for an H visa, basically you have to have a college degree, and the position that you're in has to require a college degree. If you've got those 2 requirements, if you can meet those 2 requirements, you could qualify for an H visa. You don't need a CW visa. And you may have a CW visa because that's always been the standard. They're easy to get. The benefit of the H visa is the touchback rule is different. H visas are 3-year visas. It's renewable, so you can get 6 years before you're required to do a touchback under the H visa program. So if you're a CW visa right now, or you're an employer and you've got CW visa holders right now, and they're in positions that qualify for an H visa, if you move quick, you might be able to convert them to H visas. If they're converted to H visas, then they're not going to need to do the touchback.
But it can be expensive. DOT says unlike CW applications, H-1 visas require 1 application per worker, and base rate costs for processing could take 2 months or more. Premium processing takes 15 days, but costs $2,500 per application.
There's a fear that with an exodus from Saipan, it's really going to hurt this economy, and this economy is in bad enough shape.
Thomas Manglona, KUAM News, Saipan.